This is a story of a man, a story of a man's work, a skilled craftsman with his hands, with a semi-centennial of dedication, knowledge, and experience, the best of the best, an unsung hero of the food industry. This is the story of my father, Butcher, a life behind the knife.
Welcome to the Glebe Meat Market. I've been making sausage, I'd say, for about 48 years. Next year, when I'm retired at 65, it'll be 50 years. Now I'm going to be doing some breakfast sausage. So this is spice that we do in the store. We don't buy the spice from companies, we do our own spice. And it's all pure spice. There's no nitrite, no flour, anything like that, just spice and meat. So I'm going to do the mixing with the ice cold water. So, and there you go. And I mix it up. Make sure that it's all well done. That's the color for the breakfast sausage. So we have 25 pounds of pork. It's all pork butt, what we call pork butt, or shoulder. And all the meat is it's really nice. You know, there's not much fat. It's about maybe, I'd say about 75% lean. All right. You need a bit of fat in a sausage because if you don't put any fat in it, it'll be too dry. So that's why we say about 70%. So you put it in there, the same as you did before. Yeah. And what you do, you just make sure that all the meat's in. You just go like this. All right. So now what I do, I put the mixer on, and then we put that in with the meat. All right. And this machine will mix the whole thing. And we start. Okay. We have to wait about maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and then we do it again. The old days, like let's say about even 25 years ago, we didn't have a machine like that. We had everything done by hand. Yeah. So if it stopped, that means it's all done. If the meat doesn't come out anymore, make sure it's all in the top there. Okay.
All right, so this is an old picture of ours. That's my dad right there, my grandfather, who's right there. And this is his dad, my great-grandfather. And this is when my dad first learned to make sausages, and we're kind of reenacting that today with me learning how to make sausages from my grandfather. We
have to put this meat in the machine. It's what I do it by hand like this, and we put it in the machine. You want to do that? Yeah. Make sure you don't drop it and put it in. Okay. All right. Make sure.
So,
yeah.
Who taught you to make sausages?
It was my dad. And we used to do it like those days, we used to do it every day because, like, you know, we had to do like 10, 20 pounds at a time. We were not equipped to do the big amount of sausage.
So I hear a lot of praise about your sausages in particular.
Yeah.
What makes your sausages the best?
It's because we use the real meat, no fat, and we use a real spice, which is no milk product, anything like that, no nitrate, no salt, no nothing, just spice and meat. That's it. And we use also the real intestine, which is a lamb casing for the breakfast sausage. We use lamb. And there you go, that's what it is right there.
That's what the outside's made of?
That's right, the skin. The thing is, there's a lot of places, what they do, they use plastic. It's like, it's edible plastic, but I mean, it's called, you know, but the thing is, I prefer to use the real stuff. It's more money, but it's better for your health. Oh, there, the meat in the machine. So we have it's hydraulic. So now what I have to do is to bring the meat right up to the top, and it'll come out at the end. But first I gotta do this. And see the casing? You got one of those old right there. You put it in pipe, and then you put it in. See? But the left, the balance, you gotta put it up because you gotta make sure to put it in everything because it's so expensive, and you gotta make sure that you use everything. Okay, there you go. So what I'm going to do a wee bit of sausage, and then maybe we can do some after that. There you go. So we'll start. You see the way it comes out? Yeah.
So about approximately how many pounds of sausages can you make per week?
Well, we sell about 600, 700, 800 pounds. Depends when you're busy. Like this time of the year, it's about 300, 400 pounds a week. But in the summer, we use we go up to maybe 800 pounds a week, and that's a lot of work. It's about 20 feet for one casing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So here we go, see? So there you go, so that's one's finished. Okay, what you have to do now, I'll show you the way that we used to do the old days, okay? The old days we used to do this way. We used to split it like that, so that go inside to make 3 link like this. See? But now we do it a different way. I'll do this one like that just to show you. See? That's the old style, like this, see? It makes a nice sausage, see?
Hold on.
Yep, you can, yep.
It's cool.
Yep. See all your casing? You know, it's nice and pink and it's good. There's no chemical, it's all pure meat. The old days, we used to sell 3 pounds of sausage. In my time, like maybe 80, 3 pounds for $2. I mean, today you can't sell 3 pounds of sausage for $2. All right, so here we go. That 3 pound would be probably about this much. 2.5 pounds, 3 pounds, so it's $2. Now you can't have that for $2.
Yeah.
You know, like it's like $12 a kilo, which is $6 a pound, almost $6 a pound, right? So it'd be $18. You know. All right. Now we do this way because in the counter we put it, you know, lengthwise, so it looks better. So we just do it this way. We just turn like this, like that. See, every 5-6 inch, we do it like that. See, you gotta go fast. You see?
Yeah.
There you go. We'll do this one, and maybe I'll try to make you do the other one. All right?
All right.
Like this, and then you have to hold it, and then you pull.
All right. So
Hold this time, and pull this, and you put it in at the same time.
pull this.
Yeah,
And then
pull in, pull hard.
pull this
No,
one?
you gotta pull hard here.
Pull hard.
See, it brings everything in. See, like that. See, there you go. Then you gotta put the rest in it. Just no, what you have to do now is you have to put that in like that.
Pull it in like
Yeah,
that.
put
All
it
right.
through.
Like
Yeah,
that?
yeah. Okay, now.
All right.
Now you're gonna find that when you do it, the pressure, that's 100-pound pressure. Okay, so you gotta make sure when you go, it goes in all inside the casing.
All right.
All right? So here, you go this side, I'll show you.
Sounds good.
What you have, see this one here? So you gotta press. See, that makes the meat sauce go up, okay? So you gotta pull here, hold this, and you go like this, see? See the way I do it? Just like fingers, like just hold like this, and the rest goes down. And bring it up the casing. You gotta make sure it goes into your hand like that.
All right.
All right?
What do I
Push,
use?
push this.
Put my knees on
Yeah,
the side?
yeah. You're tall, so that's pretty good.
No, right coming out.
No, you gotta push more, right to the end. Yeah, look, slow, see? Gotta put your finger there, let go of the top out, yeah. Just like that, slow.
Oh, yeah.
See, that's what happens. See, even there, it's too big to put the knot to it. See, you break it, see? Because what happens is the pressure, and you have to control the machine there. But when you press, you gotta almost like to use your leg.
Yeah.
And then, oh, it's going too fast, you gotta slow it down a wee bit.
Like how has the meat industry in general just changed over the years with like the
Oh.
introduction of new technology and everything?
That's for sure, because what happened before, the old days, they used to put anything they want. Like they could put milk, they could put anything. But now a lot of people today, they have a lot of allergies. So you have to change your technique. You got to go what the people want. And everything's fresh. A lot of the places you go buy the sausage, it's frozen.
Yeah.
And what happened is frozen, it's fresh. You know, the next day it goes bad. So that's a technique that we do here. That it's already fresh, always fresh.
Yeah.
And what you do, you turn it like this. See, then you take this,
Yeah.
you press, and you go this way. You do 4. Press,
And then-
turn, like this, look. You gotta press and you turn, like you let go and just turn. Yeah.
Alright.
See? Yeah. You gotta let it loose a wee bit. Let it loose a wee bit.
Yeah, I think I'm getting the hang of it.
That's good. Do it.
Alright.
Like my dad would say, "Woo, you're not gonna make any money with this. You're too slow." There you go.
Really?
Loose. Yeah. There you go. We got a professional guy now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There
There's a breakfast sausage ready. There you go.
we go.
This is the story of my father, Butcher, a life behind the knife.